When you see this bad boy in your exam, you're not going to panic because you will have seen this video. This is episode number 4 of my Road to Ace in GCSE Sciences, where I'm posting a revision video for you every single day for a very long time on your GCSE Sciences. And today we're looking at moles, that dreaded topic. There's 2 main types of questions you get with this. First bit of knowledge for you. If you're asked what a mole is, don't panic. It is literally just like how we say a dozen of something is 12 of it, a couple of something is 2 of it. A mole of something is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 lots of that thing. And that number is called Avogadro's constant. If you get a question like this that just says calculate the number of ions, the number of particles, whatever it might be, and it doesn't involve mass at all, that type of question is one where you literally just have to do the number of moles times by what a mole actually is, and it tells you the number of that thing that you have. So in this case, we would do 0.5 times by what a mole is, 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. However, if you get a question like this, where it asks you, it's got involving the number of moles, mass, and it also gives you the formula, that's the other type of question where you use G, Mr. Mole. They're not the correct symbols, but I prefer those. G for mass, MR, Mr. is MR, the relative formula mass, and mole is the number of moles. Like so, you can see this question is asking us to find the number of moles. So cover up moles in our G Mr. Mole, and it says G over MR, which is mass divided by the relative formula mass. So if we go ahead and set this up, our mass is 375 grams. Make sure your mass is in grams, convert it if not. And then the MR, which we've got to divide by, that is the sum of the individual masses of each of those things that make up that formula. So we have 1 calcium, 1 lot of 40, 1 carbon, 1 lot of 12, and then 3 lots of oxygen, 3 times 16. Do that calculation, you get 3.75 moles. But so my question to you, are we going to be using that one with the Avogadro's constant on this next question, or are we going to be using G Mr. Mole? Look at what the question involves. Remember, the giveaway was whether or not it involves the mass. Are we calculating it? Have we been given it? In this case, we're calculating it. So this one is a G Mr. Mole question. What do you think about number 4? Well, for number 4, you notice my giveaway, there is no mass in that question. So that one, we're looking for the number of molecules, the number of whatever, the number of particles. That means it's the Avogadro's constant one. For this, we just do 15 times by 6.02 times 10 to 23. That's it. I hope that's helped someone. If so, leave me a like and leave me a comment for what we should do for episode 5 tomorrow on our Road to Ace in GCSE Sciences. Have a lovely evening.